In this video, I'm going to show you how to boost listings on Facebook Marketplace. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up our Facebook application, sign into your account. Once you're signed in, we need to click on the top of the page here and go to our marketplace. From here, we need to click onto our user profile. Scroll down under selling, look at your listings. So click on your listings. And if we scroll down again, you'll see next to these listings, it's going to say boost listing. So go ahead and click on boost listing. Now this is going to take you to the boost listing page where you can set a daily budget. So I'm in Australia, so it's going to be $5 and it'll show you how much reach it will create and it'll boost for 3 days. If you want to pay $7, it's going to boost even more, and $8, it's going to boost even more as well. So choose how much money you want to spend on your boost. Once you've found that out, scroll down. Also, before we scroll down, it says select the custom budget. So if you want to change this, you can put in a custom budget. So if I want to do $20 and then click done, this is going to show me how much reach it's going to have. So 342 to 993 boost for 3 days. Doesn't seem worth it if I'm paying $8 and I'm pretty much getting the same. So just be careful of that if you do set a custom budget. This might be different for different regions and different type of products you're trying to sell as well. Then we can scroll down, we can set the duration. So choose how long this listing will run. You can change this and run this ad until a set date. Also, we need to put in payment details. So go ahead and put in payment method. So click into add payment method. This is where we can set your payment method in here. So if I click next from here, make sure that's all right. And we can add in a debit or credit card or PayPal. So you can add that in before you go back here. Once you've set that in, go ahead and click on promote now. And that's going to boost your Facebook Marketplace listing.